Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to disable or stop notifications from Google Chrome in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option here to continue. Okay? So once you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, we just have to wait until everything are set before we proceed. And once everything are set, please navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Please click on it to control and customize Google Chrome. So please click on it, okay, and wait until a new window would appear here at the right side of the screen, okay? So just have to scroll down, go with settings, which has this gear icon, and in that way you would be able to be redirected to the Chrome settings. And under the Chrome settings, you need to proceed at the left pane of that where you can see there privacy and security, which has this shield icon. So please click on it, and under the privacy and security tab, you need to scroll down and locate for site settings, which has a information sites that you can use or show. So please click on it, and the moment you do that, please proceed with permissions and scroll down and locate with notifications. So from here to notification, this setting is very important, okay, because this is one of the factor why you face an error, which is you have received a notification in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So the customized behavior is being composed of two settings. So these are not allowed to send notification and allowed to send notification. Another the allowed to send notification, the reason why you face an error is that you have allowed a specific website to send you notification. That's why you have a pop-up ads or pop-up notification from your Google Chrome. So you can see there are three dots aligning to it. Please click on it, and the moment you do that, please click on remove. In that way, you would be able to remove such. So if you have many websites being allowed here, please do the process, and that is to click on the three dots, go with removed, and make sure that no sites are added. So if you would like to add a specific site to send you notification, make sure that that site is reliable and safe to use. Okay? So, but I would recommend you to not allowed a specific site to send you notification, okay? So that you won't be able to receive any notification anymore. And from here, please scroll up, and under the default behavior, make sure that this collapse and wanted request is being turned on because this is the very recommended setting here. Okay, so turn it on. And once you're done, close the window and you're good to go. Okay, so if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.